Today I'll be talking on Airtable and ChatGPT. Did you know you can connect Airtable ChatGPT to ChatGPT and generate your content automatically? So let me show you that. I created this for the purpose of this tutorial. We have the content topic, we have the platform, we have the content type, status, tone, and AI generated content field. So what do? We go to what? Automation. And when we go to automation, we are going to start our trigger, and our trigger is going to say when a record is created, then we have to configure this is step 1, and we choose our record. Okay, so it is around what? Successful. What else do? We are going to do what? To generate. We are going to take an action. We say, okay, generate a text, because that is the essence of this tutorial. So what will be our description? Our description will be generate AI content topic. Okay, so, and what will be our prompt? So we are going to choose the ID of this. We're going to choose the content topic. We are mapping this thing out because that will help us. Then we are mapping this platform. We are mapping, these are the fields that we created. Then we are mapping the tone. Then we are mapping the AI this. Okay, so now we are now going to write to say our prompts will be create a professional social media post on LinkedIn, which is the platform, about what is the content topic? About Airtable. Remember the first one, Airtable dashboard. Using what tone? A professional tone. Then we have mapped out the Airtable fields and the prompts. Then we're going to tell AI where it is going to save this, and save the response in the AI content, AI generated content field. Do you get that? So we are going to test this action. So the step is in progress to know whether we actually, so it was what? Successful. So what do? We click on this for us to, to be sure. The essence is to save it where? On the AI. I think I ran this thing before, so I'll go here and delete this so that we will see what will appear there. So this ran successfully. I tested the action. So we are going to do another action, and the action here we are going to do is to what? Update the record. Now we are updating the record where? On Airtable base. So we'll click on here for us to get the ID of what? This Airtable. So, and the table is from table 1, and we are choosing the field AI generated this. And what do? We click on this. On the other side of this, we are using this generate this text, isn't it? This is the response. That is what we are looking for. And at the end of the day, when we generate this preview, it's going to show us, okay, content topic, LinkedIn, content type, status ready. Can you see the tone professional? So what do? We go back to this place and check whether it has entered here. Okay, we're supposed to run the automation. So we'll test the automation. This is it. We run the automation. So we'll go here to see whether it has updated. Can you see that? This is the response that was generated. So we don't need to go back and forth. So you can do it for this project management, and you can also do it for Airtel. Whatever it is that is your content type, just follow these steps and save yourself the time. So instead of you creating every post from scratch, Airtable and AI can do the heavy lifting for you.